Let me introduce our guest speaker this morning. She is from Batu Maginay, Negros Oriental. She is an alumni of this institution. She graduated in 2025 with a degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Curriculum. And she is now an inspiring educator of Batu Elementary School. Please help me welcome Miss Karen K. Romano. A round of applause, please.
Good morning, everyone. To our respected school administrators, dedicated teachers, proud parents, and most especially our bright graduates, good morning and congratulations. It is truly an honor to stand before all of you today. Seeing the smiling faces of these young graduates fills my heart with joy and hope. You made it. You reached an important milestone in your life, your elementary graduation. This is a moment worth celebrating. Graduates, today is about you. It's about every homework you finish, every test you took, every project you completed, and every time you choose to keep going even when things were hard. You work hard and you deserve this moment. When I look at all of you, I see future leaders, teachers, doctors, engineers, artists, and innovators. But more than that, I see dreamers, young people who will shape the future of our community and our country. Now that you are moving in high school, remember this. It will not always be easy. There will be bigger lessons, more challenges, and moments when you might feel tired or unsure of yourself. But that's okay. Every great story has challenges, and every challenge you will face will make you stronger, wiser, and better. Let me share you with three simple lessons that I hope you carry with you as you move forward. First, believe in yourself. Sometimes people might doubt you. Sometimes even you might doubt yourself. But always remember, you are capable of amazing things. You can do it. You can learn, grow, and achieve. Never let fear stop you from trying. Every great person started small. Even the most successful people in the world once made mistakes, failed tests, or felt afraid to speak up. You made them. Great was that they never stopped believing they could improve. So whenever you feel nervous or uncertain, tell yourself, I can do this, because you truly can. Second, work hard and stay humble. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes patience, effort, and discipline. But while you're working hard, remember to stay kind and respectful to your teachers, your parents, your classmates, and everyone around you. A humble heart will take you farther than a proud one. In high school, you'll meet new people, learn new lessons, and face new situations. Always remember that real success is not just about medals or grades. It's also about how you treat others, how you listen, how you share, and how you make people feel valued. A kind heart and a good attitude will open more doors than any trophy ever could. Third, be grateful. Look around you. Your parents, your teachers, your friends. They have supported and guided you every step of the way. Don't forget to say thank you. not just with words, but through your actions. Make them proud by continuing to do your best. Gratitude turns ordinary days into blessings. When you appreciate what you have, you will find happiness even in small moments. A smile from a friend, a helping hand from a teacher, or a simple meal shared with family. Gratitude reminds you that you are never alone in your journey. To the parents, thank you for your sacrifices, for the love, the patience, and the endless support you've given your children. Your guidance is the foundation of their success. You have stayed up late helping with projects, attended school events, and even encouragement even you were tired. Today is also your victory. To the teachers, thank you for being the light that guided these young minds. Your dedication and care have made a difference in their lives. You have not only taught lessons from books, but also lessons about life, about respect, honesty, and perseverance. You are true heroes in every sense of the word. To our graduates, remember this. This is not end. It's only the beginning. The road ahead will be full of adventures. There will be new subjects, new friends, and new lessons. Enjoy them. Learn from them. And never stop dreaming. As you step into high school, there will be times when you feel the pressures of expectations to get high grades, to fit in, or to figure out who you want to be. But take more time. You don't need to have everything figured out right now. Life is a journey of discovery, and every step, even the wrong turns, will teach you something valuable. Be curious, ask questions, explore new hobbies, join clubs, play sports, and read more books and meet people who will inspire you. Each experience will help you grow and bring you closer to finding your passions and purpose. And when you face failure, because yes, failure is part of our life, remember that it doesn't mean the end. It means you're trying, learning, and becoming stronger. The most successful people are not those who never failed, but those who refuse to give up. When you feel tired or discouraged, remember this day. The day you've proved that you can finish something you started. Use that as your motivation to keep moving forward. One day, you look back at your elementary years and smile because it was where your journey began. So to all of you, dream big, stay kind, and never give up. The world is waiting for your light. Shine brightly and make a difference wherever you go. Before I end, let me leave you with one more thought. Every one of you has something special. A gift, a talent, a spark. Never compare yourself to others. You don't have to be like anyone else to be great. Be you. Because the world needs your unique voice, your creativity, and your kindness and your courage. Use what you've learned here not only to build your own future, but also to help others. Be kind of person who lift people up, who listens, who gives hope. Because true success is not just about how far you go, but about how many lives you touch along the way. So go out there and shine. Continue to make your parents proud, your teachers proud, and most of all, yourself proud. Believe that you can and you will. Once again, congratulations, dear graduates. May your next journey be filled with joy, courage, and success. Thank you and God bless you all.